Hello and welcome to LOGIC ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will see how to set default go down from and go down to in Godown-Wise Stock Transfer entries. To do this, open the configuration window and go to the defaults section, where you can select the go down from and go down to from the available list. The godowns defined here will be automatically picked whenever you create a new stock transfer entry. After saving the configuration, open a new stock transfer voucher. Now, you can see that the godowns we defined in the configuration are set as default.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.